Hello sir, today onward we are starting new series, that is ETAP software. Now onward we are completing the complete analysis and design portion using ETAP software. Previously we have completed our AutoCAD series. We have completed each and every tool, 2D and 3D both, in detail. Some application portion, how to utilize in field. Now before starting ETAP software, we have to know some basic concept, like what are the basic subjects related to field, what is the term. As we know, now we have jumped to designing portion, so we have to first know about analysis, and secondly what is design, why we have to do analysis and why we have to do design. We have to clear about this. So first we have to talk about some major subjects with respect to field. Today we are going to talk about what are the subjects which is really important with respect to field. As we know, our 4 year long civil engineering course, we have taught lot of subjects like strength of material, survey, RCC, steel structure, uh, irrigation, so and so subjects. But only few subjects are relevant with respect to field. What are these? Mainly RCC and steel design, estimate, and survey. These three are important subject with respect to field. These subjects are important with respect to field. Again, with respect to, these are with respect to field only. मीन्स फील्ड पे हमें कौन कौन से सब्जेक्ट इंपॉर्टेंट है जो कि यूज करते हैं हम, वो ये 3 सब्जेक्ट हैं मेजर. एस्टिमेट मतलब क्वांटिटी कैसे निकालते हैं, स्टील एंड आरसीसी में डिजाइन कैसे हुई है उसको इम्प्लीमेंट कैसे करते हैं, सर्वे मीन्स बिफोर स्टार्टिंग एनी प्रोजेक्ट वी हैव टू डन a preliminary survey. So these subjects are important subject. Now very important points are what are our approach. मीन्स हमारी अप्रोच क्या होनी चाहिए सब्जेक्ट को सीखने के लिए, जो कि वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट है. तो our approach is learn these subject with respect to field are, we have to apply theory, means we have to know how to apply theory which are studied in our college time to field. After that we have to know how to use modern software. We have to keep updating with modern software and Excel sheets to complete the project. And third is real field project completed. We have to see, means we have to see the real field project from how the project is completed from starting to end, how this subject project is completed. After that we have to know, this is very important, that we have to know where to bring the work, काम कहाँ से लाए. Second, how to submit the work, like we have to completed a work, we have completed a project, how to make the report and submit the report. Last is very important with respect to, we have to keep updating, like what are the rates prevailing in the market, we have to update it, means what is the cost of that project, what is the cost of that item, we have to keep update ourselves. These are the major subjects which are used in the field. So after that, next we are talking about introduction, analysis and design.